Me a content creator now. My phone dep on broomstick, tied with shoelace. Me call it the iPhone Pro Max XL Yard Edition. Me not gonna lie, relationships these days are like iPhones. Pretty on the outside, but every 3 weeks them need an update or them shut down. You ever wake up for work and your soul still in the bed? My eye open, but my spirit say, nah dog, we're not going. Me come for check up, not for check out. Doc say my pressure high. Me say, call your bill high. Me walk like my bad until my ear rough. My knees give out like a folding chair. This dog now bark for food, him bark for vengeance. Like me owe him rent. She says she manifesting a king. Me say, queen, me manifesting a plate. Them say meditation calm your mind, but my mind loud like a passa party. Me say me a get in shape, but me only in a shape when me bend for tie my shoes. She says she manifesting a king. Me say, queen, me manifesting you bring me a plate. My granny say, use love when you cook. Me use Google and vibes. Me season that meat so much it start coughing. Me open pressure cook. My gym partner benching 225. Me dep on treadmill like me running from child support. Me always suspect Miss Yvette. She talk to plants and them answer. Me reach with confidence. She say, I only date men who meditate and do Forex. Me say, me light candle and sell phone cards. Same thing. Me sweat so much, my smartwatch say, boss, you're dying. Me walk out the gym with my chest high and 2 torn slippers. She order sushi. Me ask for stew peas. Waitress say them only have quinoa. Me say, I owe that. Me say, can I get back juice instead? The whole cafe go silent like Judgment Day. Still kiss me pon cheek, but block me by dessert. Me run back in my yard and put all my cash under my mattress with garlic and a Bible app playing on loudspeaker. Next morning, my phone start texting my ex by itself. Me dep on my vibes, dancing, enjoying my fried fish until me see her, the queen of pain. She pull up with one new man who look like him come from Marvel. Beard full, teeth straight, lotion consistent. Me say, what go on, Kimisha? She look at me like me a dead phone and say, battery done. Me look at the teddy bear look at me. Me say, traitor. Me upload my video, 15 views, 14 is my cousin, 1 is my mother, and she comment, stop disgrace the family. Me edit 3 days straight pan zinc table, beer mosquito bite my neck, my night. My video ST I'll get shadow banned. Me call YouTube support. Guess who answer? A AI. The bot say, try again, Ricky. But me get a plan now. Me building my own app. Me call it Rick. But me get a plan now. Me building my own app. Me call it Rick Talk. Wi-Fi now safe again.